put myself in the 5,000 class at Race Legal because I got the new Lito Performance tune. In this video, I actually recorded it in different parts. You're gonna see me in different outfits, different lengths of hair. I did this over amount of time, but I've done so much already, especially with the drag racing. So I will give everybody who guesses my time, which I'm covering with my thumb right now. If anybody could guess my best time running the Lito Performance race tune, I will give you a free air freshener. There's a 60 foot, there's my reaction time. Try to get my 8th mile time. Video to come very shortly. Guys, update. Thanks to Joe, I finally got both LEDs. We got the 91 race popcorn tune from Bama. We have the Lito Performance tune. And then we got the Lito Performance tune popcorn version. We're testing it out. Let's get rocking and rolling. So while the tune loads, let's go ahead and talk a little bit more about this popcorn tune because I have not had so many people hit me up regarding the last Bama Performance popcorn tune. So a little while, Lito actually hit me up, as well as he saw my Bama Performance popcorn tune video. He was just like, bro, what are you doing with that garbage tune? You could have the performance as well as the popcorns. And so he actually sent me a revision of his own popcorn tune, which we are doing right now. And he wants me to go ahead and do some research and development there. So that is what I'm doing right now. The popcorn tune is available to any tuner. Bama could go ahead and do it. Your local dyno could go ahead and do it. Lito could go ahead and do it. Lund could do it. Every tuner could go ahead and do the popcorn tune. For those of you who do not know what the popcorn tune is, basically it's a normal tune, mostly a race tune. And when the computer knows that you're decelerating, the spark timing of the engine, I believe, is delayed, which causes more gasoline to enter into your exhaust. That is my explanation of it. That's how I believe it is done. So when more gas goes into your exhaust, it ignites it, causing that pop. Totally safe with a catless pipe, not safe with a catalytic converters. That's why you need them off. And that's basically the popcorn tune in a nutshell. So the tune is done. To be honest, I have driven it around. I showed you guys on Instagram. I've showed you guys through the past YouTube videos. I just didn't tell you. But today we're gonna talk more about it. Let's go ahead and fire her up. Regarding the wing, I will get to that. Video is going to be coming on the wing. One of the things that I really like about this popcorn tune is if you really want your car to sound aggressive, more than it really is, the popcorn tune is awesome. It's definitely for show, definitely makes your car look a lot better rolling out with the pops. Because I know that not that many tunes provide the pops, but this is a little bit extra. Let's go on the street and see exactly what I'm talking about. Was officially the craziest pop I've ever experienced in my life. I didn't give you guys an outside shot previously, so I got you guys right now. whereas Bama stops at 3,000. That was from 4,000 RPM in third gear. I'm really scared to take it to like 5,000, 6,000 because imagine how crazy that would be. I took it all the way to 6,000 RPM. It didn't pop from still 6,000 to about 4,500 RPM, and then that's when the crazy pop started. I like it though, it's really nice. If you guys want my current popcorn tune, the Lito popcorn tune, which is the most craziest popcorn tune out there for the 3-valve engines, I will put his contact information. All you have to go ahead and do is contact him, literally just email him. Tell him your setup. If you want a tune, it's $100 for the best tune here. I promise you. I don't want to get into specifics for the next video, but it demolishes Bama performance. No competition. Email him down. Ask him about it. If you want a tune, it's $100 for bolt-on, $150 for cabs, and $300 for boost. Best 3-valve tuner in the world. If you don't have a 3-valve, then just go ahead and message your own tuner, and they could go ahead and try their best. The Lito tune, popcorn tune, compared to the Bama performance, crazy difference. I mean, I still have my performance. Bama performance cannot carry a steady idle. My first gear was not there at all, like no power whatsoever. With this popcorn tune, I feel like I still have the power, but I have crazy pops to go with it. Like, no joke. Like, even when I'm shifting, there's a pop between the shift, which is super cool. Still there. It's still there. The power is definitely there. I showed you guys the idle last time for Bama performance. I'm going to show you guys the difference between the idle of the Lito. Look at the steadiness, look at the growl, look at the consistency. The Lito performance popcorn tune, I have nothing bad to say about it. And that's all we have today, ladies and gents. The Lito performance popcorn tune. Thank you so much, Lito. If you're watching this, I appreciate the tune. I will get back to you with all of the research and development that we came through. If you guys want a Lito performance popcorn tune, again, the email will be right here as well as down in the description. $100 for a perfect 3-valve tune, or just go to any of your tuners and they'll go ahead and take you there. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. We have racing, we have more modifications to the wing as well as the front end, and we have some more informational. So we have so many videos. Subscribe right now. You guys are gonna want to stay tuned for all of the videos. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys on the next one.